All right, guys, just like we've been doing the last couple weeks, we're gonna. Yesterday we talked about making a confidence interval for a population standard deviation and variance, and now we're gonna figure out how big a sample size must be. That's what we've been doing the last few weeks. Is we'll do a confidence interval, then figure out how big the sample size needs to be. So that's what we're doing today. This may be the shortest video we've ever had. So congratulations on that. Okay, determining sample sizes. The procedures for finding the sample size necessary to estimate a variance, population variance, are much more complex than the procedures for the means and proportions. Instead of using very complicated procedures, we're going to use a table. This is the one time we're going to use a table. So prepare yourself mentally for that. We're going to use a table. Look at this. Minitab, Excel, StatCrunch, doesn't say StatCrunch, but it's true. And the TI-83, 84 plus calculator don't do sample sizes for you. So we're going to use a table. Here is our table. And if you look at the table, what it has up here, it has on one side of the table, get a color here. On one side it has standard deviation. On the other side it has variance. And what it does is it gives you, on the top, it tells you how confident, like that's 95% confident. And then down here it tells you what all the confident within what, how close you want to be, like what the error is. On this side, same deal. To be 95% confident, you go there, and 99% you go here, 99% you go here. All right, so that's how you read the table, if that made sense. I'm going to show you one example. I think that may help you more, show you how easy it really is going to be. All right. Example says we want to estimate the standard deviation of all voltage levels in a home. We want to be 95% confident that our estimate is within 20% of the true value. So we want to be within 20% of the true value and 95% confident that we're there. How large should the sample be? Assume normal distribution, which is what we need. So I took a picture of the table right here, or at least part of the table. And what I'm looking for is I want to be 95% confident. And I'm looking for standard deviation, so I'm using this part of the table that says standard deviation on the top. It says within 20%, so I'm looking at 20% and look at the number it gave me. This is the sample size right there, 48. So I'm going to have to sample 48 homes in order to find that. And look what it says the answer is right here, except now I can't move it. That is the answer, even though I can't move that. There we go. We should obtain a random sample of 48 levels from the population of voltage levels. All right, so all there is to it. All right, we're going to use a table. We have to. We haven't used it much, but we have to use this one. Believe me, if you saw the calculation, you would be so thankful for that crazy table. So what we'll do tomorrow in class when you come in is we will work on, there's not many of these in your books. We'll probably do 5 or 6 of these, and then also do a few more of what we did yesterday to kind of make sure you're still good there. All right, see you then.